Hey YouTube, it's Lucy back here. Haven't done a video in a while. I just recently got into Cricut and vinyl stuff, so I've just been working on that. Hopefully I'll be able to upload some similar videos now that I have my Cricut maker. It has been a ride. I'm still pretty new, but I am eager to learn, and I just learned that they actually have mystery boxes for Cricut on their website, and they let them, I think they have them every month or so. But March is supposed to be, I think 4 of them, or 3 of them, I'm not sure. Usually whenever you go over to the website, they're already sold out whenever I get my email, because I get it the morning after, and they usually sell out that night, so I never could catch it. Apparently they're on Tuesdays, which I didn't know that. But I did get an email and I got these in time. These are the leftover boxes from 2018 and 2017. And since I'm a Cricut Access member, I could get them for a discount. So I saw that they were available, so I was like, oh my gosh, I better grab both of them. So that's what I did, and why not film a video? So this is the 2018 one that I'm about to open right here. I really don't have any idea, except I think that there's just like supplies in here. Which, like, I'm down because vinyl's expensive, right? Okay, I'm just gonna turn this one around. So, first look, like, I'm pretty satisfied. So it looks like here we've got, let's just see what this is. This is just regular vinyl with all kinds of different colors. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch the light around because you guys can barely see that. Heck yeah, that's much better. Okay, so this is just regular adhesive vinyl. Looks like it comes with yellow, blue, red, and it looks like that there's a white in there. Of course, all the Cricut vinyls, they come with their transfer tape inside of the vinyl roll. I just grabbed these other 2, which these last 3, I love glitter. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one is really pretty. This is iron-on griddle. This is iron-on griddle. This is iron-on, wish it would focus. Oh, there we go. This is iron-on glitter, and on camera, it's showing up very green. But to me, it looks like a very tealish, like bluish green. So, does this have like an official color on there? But I'm not seeing it. But this is just regular iron-on glitter, which I love the glitter ones. Even though glitter is kind of hard to come with the transfer tape, I think from my experience, you do need the strong grip transfer tape. And looks like this is another glitter one. Looks like this is another glitter one. Very pretty iron-on glitter. It looks like it's like a black background with gold glitter on it. Very pretty. And this one is more of like a grassy green. I think it's just adhesive because it doesn't say iron on, and it would say iron on if I remember correctly. So this next one, ooh, this fancy. This fancy. Okay, so this is foil poster board pastel sample, which is so cool because most of the things that I do, I work with a lot of like cards. I do a lot of card making, so these work really well for cards. But as you can see from the back, there are like a ton of different things that you can do with these. Like there's a shadow box in the middle right there. People use them for ribbons, like a really nice thick ribbon. That's nice. So this is a pastel color one. So as you can see up top, it's got like a rose gold one, which it looks like this is the rose gold right here. A green, a purple, a red, and a blue. Ooh. Okay, so pretty much the only stuff that I have right now are the pins. The one pin that came with my maker, which is just like one of these black pins right here. So I'm super stoked to see that these included more black pins, including different ones, like different sizes of the black pin. That is so cool. So now I have different projects to work on. Wow, so there's 5 black pins in here, but they gave you, if you can see that, there's 10 of these, like metallic gold ones. That is so pretty. I haven't used these yet. I was contemplating ordering them online, but I haven't ordered them yet. So I'm really happy to see that these actually came in these box. So from what I was like kind of skeptical at first seeing a pen draw, like an automated pen draw on the Maker machine or any of the Cricut machines. I was like, that's gonna be like all jaggedy, etc. It's not gonna look very smooth, but the Cricut draws and writes like very smoothly. I was very surprised. So I'm still learning myself on how to do calligraphy. It's a lot harder than it looks, people, but I think I'm gonna try to use these on like maybe the front of a card, like drawing out an address or something like on the envelope, and see how that looks. Maybe on a black card. I don't know how well these do on a black card. As you can tell, I'm like super stoked about these. I don't have any pens at all except for that one black pen, so I wanna use that one pretty quickly. What is this? Holy Toledo. Oh my gosh. So this is like 2 Cricut mats, it looks like. Or maybe it's a little thinner. But this looks like, it's like, so I can't even like put it in front of the camera. It looks like, let's see what this says, 12 by 24 inches. Oh, this is a big, big one. It says strong grip. That makes me so happy, and I'm already stoked that I even bought this because I just have the 2 mats that came with the Maker. I just have the standard grip, and I have the, I believe it's the fabric mat. It's the pink one, which I don't work with a lot of fabrics. I would like to. Thick cardstock, glitter cardstock, magnet material, chipboard, and fabric with stiffener. So I work with a lot of cardstock because I make a lot of cards, so this will probably come in handy to make sure that it doesn't rip my cardstock if I put it on the standard mat. Okay, so that is the what was all in the 2008 box. So it had the 12 by 24 strong grip mat. It had 10 of these gold pens, 5 of these black pens, and they're of different sizes. It had 5 sheets of these poster board, the pastel sampler, 2 different kinds of adhesive vinyl, some matte, and then 1 glitter. Just 1 glitter color it looks like in here, and then a few different colors of the regular adhesive vinyl, and then 2 iron-on glitters. So this was a steal, guys. Like, watch out for those mystery boxes. Make sure you snag one if you're able to. I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm going to open up the 2017 one. They come in like these long boxes, so I wonder if there's going to be another like big mat in here, because I'm pretty sure that's why they put the other mats in that one. I feel like I need an adult. I'm an adult that needs an adult. Let's bust her open. Ooh, more vinyl. Oh Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Y'all, look at this. I got more pens, more gold pens, which I have a feeling I'm gonna be using a whole bunch of them, so I ain't mad about that. And this one actually comes in different like sizes for the pins. Okay, let's pick up this one. This one has, it looks like adhesive foil, which those are always nice for card makers. Makes nice embellishments. But that says adhesive foil, and it's just like a very metallic color. Portable trimmer scoring blades. So portable trimmer cutting and scoring blades. What does this go on to? Precision replacement. Oh. Precision replacement cutting blades for use of Cricut portable trimmer. Okay, I didn't know they had a trimmer. I'm in the market for a trimmer, so good on you, Cricut. Okay, so this is more faux leather. Or not more, I already have some, but I haven't used it yet. I don't think I have this color. These are very nice. This is like a very beigey color. People on here, they make jewelry. Like a lot of people make jewelry with them, like earrings. A lot of people make bows with these, like bows for infants or even bows for dogs. This says more glitter vinyl. This is a very pretty color. It looks like a rose gold looking color. This one is adhesive. It doesn't say iron on, so I assume that this is adhesive. More adhesive foil. And this one has different colors in it. All kinds of colors for this adhesive foil. Like I said, the adhesive foil does really well with embellishments on cards. You can use it on a whole bunch of stuff. just anything that you want like a little bit of extra shine, but I use it on my cards a lot. Another adhesive foil, which I think this is another one. Did I get the same one? They look the same, right? Don't they look the same? About the same? Yeah, that's fine with me though. These foils are really pretty and they're really easy. Oh my goodness, no way. Okay. Oh, there's two. Oh, okay, never mind. Hold on. Wait. Okay, so I have two 12 by 24 strong grip mats. In addition to the one that I got in the 2018 box, which I ain't mad. I'm not sure how much they cost, but as per the back, they're used for like glitter cardstock and thick cardstock, and I work with primarily cardstock, so I am happy to have 3 mats for sure. I mean, like, these are probably gonna stay in the package until I need to clean my next one. So these are 12 by 24. These are big boys. So that is awesome. I've got some mats. I only had the first 2, so I'm super excited. Okay, so this is the next one. This is foil acetate. So if you can kind of see in the light there, it like kind of shines just a little bit where the design is. These are, let's see, 12 sheets, 3 patterns with 4 colors, 12 by 12s. Foil acetate in pink, pearl, and green. That's what that says there on the bottom. So these can be used for a lot of things. You can also use them on cards if you make them on cards. But let's see what it says here on the back. Cut and fold for card overlays, frames, gift wrap and boxes, 3D pinwheels, and much more. I'm very happy because I don't have any of this right now, so I'm excited to use this for my next project. And it looks like a standard mat. Oh, wait a minute. No way! Okay, oh my goodness, you guys. So this is a variety pack of 12 by 24 mats. It looks like on the back. So this is another one of those like long ones, the 12 by 24. It's not your standard mat. So this one has 3 of the mats in this one package. So in total, I have 4 strong grip mats now. The light grip mat is the blue one. So that does like really soft materials. And then the standard mat is like the one that a lot of people use just for vinyl. Like you can use it for a lot of things. And then of course the strong grip mat is used for like heavy cardstock and stuff like that. Now the pink mat that I got with my maker, that's used with fabric only. So I guess this is not included in the variety mat because it's like maybe not a lot of people who have Cricut use it for fabric. Maybe because the maker just came out. I'm like super stoked that I have so many mats. So in total in this one, we got, looks like 4 mats total in this one. We got this foil acetate, this silver metallic adhesive foil. We got a variety of this adhesive foil. We got some glitter vinyl that's not iron-on, it's just a standard adhesive. And then we got some faux leather, 5 of these gold metallic pens in different sizes. So that concludes the 2017 box. So if you're ever interested in a mystery box, I highly suggest that you snag one when they're available. They have a lot of different materials that's good for any project. And then if it has something in there that you're not used to working with, then maybe that can expand your creative imagination and you'll start working with a new media. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you next time.